what happens in time from the moment you relapse to, let's say, 3 days, then 5 days, then 7 days, then 1 month, 2 months of semi retention? What's the science behind it so people will understand better?
Mhm. See, first of all, it differs from person to person. Like some of them are heavily addicted person, or
Mm-hmm.
some of them are already trying this nofap thing. So
Mm-hmm.
someone who was doing it for years and now is starting the streak for the first time, experience will be different for
Mm-hmm.
him as compared to someone who is trying to do nofap and relapsing in between. So it
Mm-hmm.
differs, but in generally, like someone, let's say, doing it for the first time, uh, first of all, it will be very difficult. Like it's very few of them can go, like let's say I decide to say I will abstain from porn and masturbation and straight away go for like 30 days or 90 days. It's
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
normally not possible. But yeah, few people do that. Maybe they are not that addicted to this thing. So like let's say in first 5 days or something, the one major thing is urges will be tremendous if you are a big addict.
Mm-hmm.
Like yeah, like our friends and all will be sending us stuff. Instagram is filled with all those models and all.
Mm-hmm.
So your brain will try to convince you, yeah, nothing is changing, let's go back to how it was. Or I will just take a one look at porn, I'm not going to masturbate, like I'm not going to ejaculate, I will just take a look at porn. So all this kind of thoughts will come up and eventually you will relapse. So
Yeah.
let's say,
Yeah.
but still you will come back and start doing things. So eventually you'll find that you will find excess time, or let's say more motivation will come from inside, like I should do something better, something more
Mm-hmm.
creative. Anyway, I'm doing this discipline thing, why not add something more?
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
you will start thinking, like if you are a student or something, you might focus on your grade, improving your grades. Or if you are like you have completed your degree, you will focus on your finances. This kind of thoughts come from inside. So this is like first step for
Mm-hmm.
self improvement. Once you
Mm-hmm.
start this,
Mm-hmm.
automatically other you feel like improving on other aspects as well.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So you will start working out as well. And so once you start working out, you feel like eating cleaner stuff. So this kind of thing goes on. Other benefit is that motivation is done. Second, confidence thing will increase. Like recently we had a like big festival in India, it's called Diwali. Have you guys
Mm-hmm.
know about Diwali? Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
of
like one
course.
of
Yeah,
the
I've heard
biggest
about it.
festival.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like the major festival in India. So like I personally noticed, it was like last week only. So like relatives and all will come. So I was feeling more confident to talk to elder ones. And like my younger cousins and all, they look at me as a inspiration, like bro,
Yeah.
what do you do, like how you post this kind of photos on Instagram, or what's your
Mm-hmm.
workout routine and all those stuff. So
Mm-hmm.
it's like I'm like a role model for them. So that
Mm-hmm.
feeling is amazing. Like
Mm-hmm.
even with my same age friend, they also like keep asking me for stuff, like bro, how you do that, how you do this, because uh, your overall mentality gets related to improving yourself, kind of things will come.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, we are talking about confidence, like talking to everyone, like on this podcast we are talking, so that hesitation will be reduced for talking to someone we don't know, or
Mm-hmm.
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 approaching girls. Yeah, and from girls, one major thing is like women attraction is a crazy thing when you do nofap. Like
Yeah.
magically, like there are like lots of theories. One of them is like I get more Tinder matches. Like there is no relation in doing nofap, I'm getting Tinder matches, but it happens.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
like with same photos, I'm getting more likes on Instagram. All those kind of things also happen. But looking tech, there are many reasons behind that women attraction. One of which I think is like we are more confident. Second thing,
Mm.
since we are working on ourselves, so we are obviously getting better, like having clean hairstyle, working on our physique and everything. So maybe that's the reason. Another one is that since we are not getting laid, means we are not ejaculating, so our brain thinks that we are not getting laid. So it tries to improve us as a person. We don't know whether on physical level or some on higher level, like our vibes or maybe pheromones coming out
Yeah.
of us or something like
Mm-hmm.
that. So
Mm-hmm.
it see, we are not ejaculating, so it's our brain thinks that something is missing, this guy needs to spread his genes to the next generation. So something is lacking, something is lacking. So what can I add? Maybe I can make his skin more glowy, or maybe I can
Mm-hmm.
maybe so what the primal brain will think, that maybe is not able to hunt properly. maybe he's not doing to do something, so he will increase our muscle strength or something like that.
Mhm.
Small things happens. So that's how we improve as a person.
Yeah.
So
Uh,
yeah.
yeah, so there are like lots of things, guys, that you should at least try it. But